Imagine having an AI assistant that can not only explain your code, but also optimize it, improve its security, and even commit changes directly to GitHub, all in just a few clicks. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, let me introduce you to Code LLM Teams, a powerful new feature from Abacus AI. It's designed to make coding faster, smarter, and way more efficient, whether you're a solo developer or part of a team. And the best part? It works seamlessly with all the top AI models like Claude, GPT, Gemini, Qwen, and more. In this video, I will show you how to set it up, what it can do, and why it is such a game changer for anyone working with code. Plus, stick around for a walkthrough of how it transforms a messy codebase into clean, optimized perfection. Let's dive in. Okay guys, let me walk you through this amazing feature from Abacus AI called Code LLM Teams. This tool is designed to make coding and project management super smooth and efficient, especially if you're working with AI. Here's the cool part. It costs just $10 per user, and they even offer the first month free when you sign up for 2 months. Sounds like a pretty good deal, right? Plus, it works with all the most popular AI models and neural networks. Let's get started with Code LLM Teams. If you are new to Abacus AI, click on the Code LLM button here and download Code LLM Teams. And if you are an existing user of the Chat LLM team, then select the Code LLM tool from here and download the version for your device. Since I am a Windows user, I am downloading this version. After downloading, install it on your system like any other app. Once the app is installed and launched, log in to your Chat LLM team account. Okay, we are now logged in. Since I just installed the app, I have to create a new file. I am creating a new test file. Our file is ready. Now, on the right side, you will find 2 options, Chat and Agent. If you click on the drop-down menu, you will find all the powerful LLM models like Claude Sonnet 3.7, O3 Mini High, DeepSeek, Qwen, and others. Code LLM can write code in Python, JavaScript, TypeScript, Java, C, C++, PHP, Ruby, Go, Swift, and more. There are a bunch of different options. With the help of Code LLM, you can write new code, debug existing code, optimize your code, implement design patterns, work on API development, test strategies, create database queries, and perform various operations. You can work on both back-end and front-end development. For example, with Code LLM, I can create a social media post scheduler or a financial report generator. The only limitation is my imagination. For this first tutorial, I am going to create a simple calculator. I'll show you how Code LLM works and its basic features. In my upcoming videos, I will create something more complex. But let's begin by typing the task into the chat and creating this basic calculator. Let's start by asking the AI to generate a simple calculator for us. I am simply asking it to create a basic calculator. And you can see that Claude Sonnet 3.7 is writing the code. Okay, you can see we now have our code written in Python. You can see what the calculator program includes. Under the code, there are 3 buttons: Copy, Insert, and Apply. These are common interface elements. I'm going to click on Insert, and my code was automatically moved from the right sidebar into the middle of the screen. Now I'm going to press Ctrl+S to save the file and then run the Python file. So my simple calculator is running, and I have 5 different options. I can choose to run any of these actions. I'm going to choose multiplication and click on Enter. So what do I want to multiply? My first number will be 33.7, and my second number will be 76. 33.7 multiplied by 76 equals this. The calculator is working, which means my code is working. Now, let's give the same task to another LLM and see how different the code will be. This time, I will select a different LLM, O3 Mini High. Before generating the code, I will create a new file. It's super easy. The left sidebar is for folders. If I hover over this folder, I'll see my directory. I created a folder called Test2. Now, I am going to create a new file and name it Basic Calculator. Okay, now let's go back to the Chat tab and simply ask it to write the code. The LLM is working, and I am waiting. Our code is ready. This time, I will copy the code and paste it manually. Let's save the file and run it. Our calculator is working. Let's choose division this time. The first number will be 55, and the second number will be 33. Here's the answer, and it's just perfect. Alright, now let's create an HTML code. I am simply asking it to create a puzzle game. Okay, my code is ready. Now I will create a new page and paste it manually. Let's save the file and open it in my browser. And here it is. The game is working. So yeah, Code LLM is a practical tool that is extremely easy to use. Even non-coders can learn coding quickly with this tool. So, don't forget to try this amazing platform. For only $10 per month, you can access a huge number of tools from the Chat LLM team and Code LLM. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear your opinions about Code LLM. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!